Hello everyone, this is Michelle.
And this is Josh.
And welcome to Pag-Usapan Natin Yan, kung saan we will answer one of the questions from our Yes He's community about sharing the gospel and Christianity. Kaya tara,
Pag-usapan natin yan.
So Josh, today, meron tayong tanong na medyo mahirap ata to, pero kaya natin. So sabi dito ng ating viewers, paano ba tayo mag-share ng gospel if I struggle with sin and fear it might make others stumble or not believe me?
I would suggest to be accountable muna sa mga leaders nyo, mentor sa church, or sa Christian community nyo. Or I suggest maging accountable ka sa parents mo rin. I-share mo, i-open up mo para mawala ng power yung sin na yun. And you will be empowered. Makikita mo, slowly makakaroon ka ng empowerment sa life to share the gospel. And in practical sense naman, pag nandun na tayo sa situation, I believe yung honesty and humility mo, na authentic ka lang na, bro, I struggle talaga with this. Pero talagang gusto ko lang rin i-share sa'yo to kasi si Christ is journeying with me din sa stage ng life ko na to. Yun yung magandang entry point na para ma-share mo rin yung gospel.
Actually, Diyos, tama yan. Sa totoo lang, di ba, wala naman talagang perfect na Christian. So I think we just really need to humble ourselves before the Lord first, diba, to seek His forgiveness, to really ask for help. And tayo din, we'd preach the gospel to ourselves first before we share it to others. And makaka-relate din sila sa atin, and we can relate to them if we be vulnerable and share then our struggles and what we've been through. Na parang doon natin mapupoint out na we're real and authentic. Hindi naman talaga tayo perfect until we're with Christ, diba? And we can share our struggles with them and eventually point them to the hope of the gospel. Because tayo din naman mismo, we also really need the gospel. And that's it for today's question. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Josh.
And pag may mga tanong pa kayo, may gusto kayong i-clarify, hingi ng tips, you guys can comment down below or send us a message. We'd love to hear from you. Kaya tara,
Pag-usapan natin yan!